Yo, what's going on, guys? What is up? What is up? Let's have a look at the JASMY chart. All right. What's up, guys? Good to see y'all. Good to see y'all. Let's get into it right off the bat. So we had a decent little close. Yeah, as we see, we're above support at the 2 cent 1 level. So far, so good. Can we make our way back up to 2 cent 5 now? That's the question, right? Slowly but surely, guys. Like I said, we need to stair step our way back up. However, we could very well see a V. And I'm not saying this is going to happen, but I'm saying this possibly. We could see a V-shaped recovery here, guys. Right? Very, very possible. Very, very possible we could see that. Looking good, looking good. What is the volume right now on JASMY? 179 million in volume. So pretty cool, man. Pretty cool that it's going up. I dig it. Market's looking good. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Oh, sorry. Got to get back over to the daily time frame on my Bitcoin chart. There we go. All right. Look at this, guys. Bitcoin's doing its thing as well. Trying to climb its way back up. Guys, I've shown this for a while now, but as you can see, we've been ping-ponging inside of this range. We just got to climb back inside of here. We were down below it back here, as you can see. We got back inside of it. We were all the way up to the top and then back down again. So we can break back up here and get back inside of this channel. Very, very possible. So we'll see what happens, though, guys. RSI is only at 35. Very, very oversold still. So things are looking pretty bullish for a nice reversal. All right, let's get into the chat. Guys, make sure you smash the like and subscribe to the channel. Help the channel grow. That would be fantastic if you could do that for us. Hook a brother up. You know what I mean? Know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Juicy Jasmy, what's up, man? Absolutely. Lily, yo, what is going on? Good to see you, Lily. Good to see you. Benjamin, look forward to these videos every day. Let's go. Thank you so much, Benjamin. I'm glad you enjoy the videos, man. It means a lot, brother. Thank you for the support. Jovan, what's up, man? Sup, Rob? Looking to start my Miria bag soon. Trying to escape Coinbase. They keep kissing you off. Man, that's like sexual harassment or something over there going on with your Coinbase account, brother. Rickaroo, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, bro. Lily, I love the intro. Thank you very much. Actually, credit actually goes to Max, Maximus Crypto. Max made me the intro, so credit goes to him. Tara, cool new intro. Thanks, guys. I'm happy that you guys like it. I'm happy you like it. You know, I figured it was about time we got an intro going. So I talked to Max, and Max whipped something up for me. Pretty cool. I dig it. Funky, what a pump. Also on the meme side of things, Ka is on fire today. Is Ka on fire? Is it on fire? Let's have a look. Well, hang on a second. Is Ka on fire? I'm going to have to go over to CoinMarketCap for this one. Ka. Oh, look at that. Ka is having itself a grand old time, baby. Up 24.5%. Nice recovery on Ka. Ka, grow with knife, baby. Liquidity, what's up, man? What's going on? These last 2 months have been pretty red, so hopefully we get a green monthly close. This weekly close might even flip us around. Absolutely. Funky says, I don't expect a green monthly until October, but I'm in the I'm on the notion that October start the major pump cycle. Yes, I would tend to agree with that assessment, Funky. I would tend to agree. I think that Q4 is going to be where the magic starts, and we'll kind of take it from there, right? So, all right, guys, we're caught up in the chat, so I'm going to jump over to the news right off the hop here, guys. If you have any requests, you want me to look at some charts, some altcoins, you have any questions, fire them over in a super chat, and I will get right to them. But for now, let's get into some of the news. What do we have going on? All right, so we got Crypto for Harris. So crypto is building a movement to support Kamala Harris. A group of industry leaders, policy experts, and everyday crypto enthusiasts are organizing a Back Harris while pushing for a nuanced policy stance that positions America as a leader in digital assets. Very, very positive news, guys. Very positive news. I would be more than happy to see, Harris and the Democrats start to pivot and get behind digital assets, guys, because as I've said 100 times, now people have been coming down on me about, pro-Trump kind of thing, right? I'm pro-crypto. I'm pro whichever candidate is pro-crypto. So if the Democrats are going to start jumping on board and be pro-crypto, that's all right by me, man. That is all right by me. But I will say with a caveat that because the Democrats have been attacking crypto for almost 3 years, I'm going to need more than lip service out of them. I'm going to need to see some action. I need to see them actually do something, not just say some nice things, right? Until they win. So that's how I got it. That's how I got to see it. What do we got? Rally Way. Do you make those cool thumbnails yourself? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I make those myself. Thank you for noticing. What else do we got? Just in, Michael Saylor gives his Bitcoin outlook on CNBC. Listen up, guys.
Welcome back. Stocks are higher right now as they come off their worst day in nearly 2 years. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is staging a comeback as well, up more than 5%. And crypto-adjacent names like Coinbase and MicroStrategy are also attempting at comebacks here. Joining us now to discuss is Michael Saylor, co-founder and chairman of MicroStrategy. Michael, it's great to speak with you. Thanks for being back.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
So we did see this mini crash in Bitcoin yesterday. It's treated as a risk-on asset, considered a proxy for liquidity in the markets. At least one technician I've spoken to in the last 24 hours said we're really range-bound here, up to 61,000. What's the next catalyst? What breaks it out?
You know, I think the events of Bitcoin 2024 in Nashville a few weeks ago were just very catalytic and marked an inflection point for Bitcoin. You had presidential candidates, you had governors, you had senators, you had House members, you had CEOs, you had billionaire investors in the audience. Senator Lummis presented a strategic Bitcoin reserve bill, and that's our Louisiana Purchase moment. What happened there was the Overton window shift. Now it's possible to discuss nation states holding Bitcoin on the balance sheet. And if nation states are going to buy it, then it's reasonable for institutions, corporations, and individuals to buy it as well. So that was tremendous.
And former President Trump got behind the idea too. So it's a good idea? You think a strategic reserve for Bitcoin is a good idea?
Well, Thomas Jefferson purchased the Louisiana Territory for $15 million in 1803 and nearly double the size of the United States. Seward paid $7 million for Alaska. It's got $1 trillion of oil underneath it. Everybody's going to be doing business in cyberspace. Bitcoin is scarce, desirable digital property. It's a great idea to trade a little bit of currency or paper for some place that billions of people are going to be in 100 years. So yeah, I think it's a great idea.
Interesting. I mean, I feel like there's always been this ethos around Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general that they're decentralized, digital gold. You've called it digital real estate in the past, and it's sort of a hedge against inflation. It's a hedge against government spending too much money, for example. So the idea that governments would be holding it seems like it goes against that.
You know, it's desirable property, and if you're capitalizing a country based upon scarce desirable property, buying Manhattan, buying the United States, buying Alaska, anywhere you can do business, it's the basis of a great empire. So no, I think it's a good idea for a nation, but it's an equally good idea for a corporation, an individual, a family, or the like.
Okay, so Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is clearly on the ballot. What's at stake then in November?
You know, and what you have is two constituencies. You've got traditional finance, and traditional finance operates 19% of the time. It costs $40 million to take a company public. You know, there's no credit, there's no liquidity on the weekend. Bitcoin represents a different thing. It represents the 21st century. So I think the millennials are looking at the world today, and they think electricity, water, elevators, the internet, they operate 100% of the time. Bitcoin operates 100% of the time. Why are we stuck with 20th century banks, money markets, and capital markets that shut us down at 4 p.m. on Friday, don't open up until 9:30 on Monday? You know, if we did that to your food, your water, or your air, it would be considered cruel and unusual punishment.
You're buying more here. You've raised more debt to do that in recent months, filed last week to sell more shares. How does this strategy continue to play out?
MicroStrategy is a Bitcoin development company. We're an operating firm, and that means we have some advantages over a trust company. We've got permanent capital. We can generate cash flows. We've got operating flexibility. Our shareholders want more Bitcoin per share. They think if we get more Bitcoin per share, that's creating shareholder value. That means we're pursuing BTC yield. Whenever we can do a capital markets transaction that's accretive and generates more Bitcoin per share, we'll do it. We have the ability to sell equity into the market at a premium to net asset value. We have the ability to issue convertible bonds. We have the ability to generate operating cash flow. We're just going to keep generating more Bitcoin per share any way we possibly can by selling the volatility of the asset class and then sweeping it into the underlying asset.
Founded as an enterprise software company, Business Intelligence, MicroStrategy. That business has enabled the build out of this Bitcoin book. Can the core business continue to generate enough cash flow to support the business for Bitcoin, or support Bitcoin and the business there, given the fact that revenue has been stagnating?
The business is stable and it is a cash cow, and we have a lot more room to issue debt based upon that cash flow. But we've also got options like convertible bonds and equity and the like, and some other strategic alternatives that will allow us to continue to raise capital to buy Bitcoin.
This guy's company, MicroStrategy, is going to go down in history as like a $1 trillion, multi-trillion dollar company, man, with the amount of Bitcoin that they hold and that they keep buying. Man, huge, guys. Huge. All right, what else do we got? Boom, check it out. CoinRabbit. Easily trade and store JASMY with CoinRabbit. There you go, guys. Another listing for JASMY. Love to see it. The bullishness continues, guys. All these little exchanges add up to liquidity pouring through JASMY, right? Jim Cramer turns bearish on Bitcoin. The inverse Cramer effect is very real, guys. Check it out.
Bitcoin was supposed to be
it turned out to be not as good a store of value.
Store of value. Thank
gold.
You. Yeah. Would we be safe in Bitcoin? Would have been the thought that perhaps
John Book.
That is not the case.
Well, it just turns out that gold.
It's connected.
I had a Nico Eagle on last week.
You had a who to what?
A Nico Eagle is a big gold company.
Oh, yes.
And what it comes out is that their stock has been a total winner, and they're very adamant that when things go bad, crypto will go bad with it, but gold won't, because we've only found about 1% more gold each year. There's just not a lot of gold to be found, and a lot of it's in high-cost places. So gold is maintaining its value. And I think that's great. And I think everyone should have 10% of their assets in gold if they can get it. And try getting that out of Costco. It's like really hard.
Bitcoin was
This guy literally like 2 weeks ago, I played a video on a live stream with this guy. They had what's his name? CEO of BlackRock up here. I can't remember what the hell. I can't remember why I can't remember his name. Anyway, he was on here, and Jim Cramer was on there talking about how BlackRock has made Jim Cramer bullish on Bitcoin. He said, "Yo, since you guys turned bullish on Bitcoin, I am too." And now here he is 2 weeks later saying he's bearish on it, right? This guy flip-flops worse than a fish out of water. That's why you should never listen to Jim Cramer, right? He acts as, he pushes people as exit liquidity for the incumbents. He gives bad advice on his channel all the time, and it only benefits the super rich when he gives his advice to the retail investors, right? I would never, I would always do the opposite of what Jim Cramer recommends you do, right? The inverse Cramer is very, very real. Starting tomorrow, guys, the U.S. Treasury intends to start buying back $46 billion in government debt. You know what this means? Money printing, guys. What did I tell you 3 days ago? I said within a week or two, we're going to see them do announce an emergency Fed meeting, and they're going to start cutting rates. And I also said they're going to start printing money and quantitative easing, right? Go back and watch the live streams. I've been saying it for 3 or 4 days now since this dip started. And here we are. Rumors of a Fed emergency meeting happening, and now they're intending on buying back $46 billion in government debt via printing more money. This is exactly what they did in 2020 when we had the crash of C19. They started printing money and they started buying back bonds. They started or government debt, and they started injecting liquidity into the stock market, which caused crypto to go absolutely crazy in price. I told you guys this was going to happen, right? It's like I have a crystal ball, or it's like I've seen this before, right? It's like I saw this in 2020. Bitcoin Magazine says, guys, 13.2 billion. Cantor Fitzgerald analyst says, we believe this is an opportune time to add exposure to Bitcoin ahead of what could be outsized returns over the coming year. They're expecting, guys, you see in these big billionaire companies coming out and saying they're expecting oversized returns over the next 12 months for Bitcoin and crypto, right? I've been saying it, guys. I've been saying it. We can't be shook. And check this out, guys. Now, this isn't not going to be an instant gratification thing, but this is, over the grand scheme of things, going to be massive for crypto. Morgan Stanley's 15,000 advisors have got the green light now to start pitching Bitcoin ETFs tomorrow. Okay? And you might ask, well, why is that a big deal? They have 15,000 advisors, okay? How many clients does each advisor have? 10, 20, 30, 50? And now they're advising 15,000, even if it's just 10. 15,000 times 10, they're referring their customers, right? That's a crap load of people potentially buying into these Bitcoin ETFs all of a sudden, right? This is a very big deal, guys. Now, it's not going to be instant gratification. It doesn't mean that Bitcoin's going to start going to the moon tomorrow, but it does mean over time, like over the course of this bull run and forward, that this is going to substantially affect the price of Bitcoin in the big picture, right? Always got to zoom out, guys. Always got to zoom out. We also have El Salvador buying more Bitcoin again today. They bought yesterday. They bought again today. While everyone else was panicking, El Salvador bought the dip. See, there's so much bullishness out there, guys. You just got to know where to look, right? Whales are also accumulating Bitcoin like never before. Something big is coming. Look at the accumulation, guys. Unbelievable. Permanent holders versus demand on the 30-day. Boom. Massive, guys. Massive. This I just thought was absolutely hilarious, so I had to show it, guys. This is a lot of people in the market. Look at this guy. I'm an idiot. 74K Bitcoin. Why didn't I buy Bitcoin at 49K? 49K Bitcoin. LOL. I ain't buying that shit. Oh, that's priceless. That's true, though. That's so true, right? Like, I ain't buying that shit. Oh, that's gold. I love it. What else do we got? More bullish news, guys. Japanese firm Metaplanet, who's been referred to as the MicroStrategy of Japan, have announced that they're going to raise 10.08 billion yen to purchase more Bitcoin. Right? Crazy, guys. Crazy bullish news. Let's check in on the Dixie. What does she look like today? Boom. Check it out. All right. So as we've been tracking, guys, we are well below the support level here on the DXY. Very bullish, guys. I told you guys it was going to break to the downside. We are in the process of that right now. This is going to look fantastic. I say we break all the way back down here to 101. This is going to be huge for crypto, guys. Huge for crypto and Bitcoin. Very good news. All right. Now, we got an article here we're going to get through. Let's check this out. JASMY recovers 18%, indicating strong recovery action reflecting top coin movements like ONDO and AIOZ. Following the heavy crypto market dump where Bitcoin's price tanked to below 50K, the asset is now up towards 55K region. During unexpected and significant dips, altcoins also dropped dramatically. However, top project tokens like JASMY, AKT, AIOZ, and ONDO are already up between 15 to 25%, indicating strong bullish action for these tokens to pump parabolically during the coming super bull cycle phase where Bitcoin is set to hit new all-time highs. Despite these strong signs of recovery, the sentiment of the crypto market is in an extreme fear zone, and many crypto traders and holders are giving into FUD. Amidst the noise, seasoned crypto traders, like us in this community, are sharing deep insights about future bullish moments and are encouraging traders to not give into the FUD. Many see this dip as a golden opportunity to accumulate before the crypto supercycle and alt season arrives, in what many expect to be in the coming months ahead. In particular, for JASMY coin, JASMY enthusiasts are reputed crypto analyst Steffes Crypto shares his latest take on what to expect for the altcoin next. JASMY is known for, as the Bitcoin of Japan, and the JASMY team expects JASMY's price to hit $17 by 2026. As we can see from the video above, JASMY has a long way to go to hit the ultimate $17 target. Earlier today, JASMY fought its 200-day moving average and bounced up by 18% to hit 2 cents 1.2. The analyst ends his video by saying JASMY is a worthy token to accumulate, especially in times of fear. Adding to the narrative earlier today was the reputed silver-tongued analyst, Dr. Profit, who encouraged accumulating during times of fear to enjoy maximum gains in times of greed. Exactly, guys, exactly. And I kind of wanted to do something a little bit, well, we haven't done this in a little bit. We do this every once in a while. So I figured we'd do it now because we haven't done it in a bit. Let's check out some of the token unlocks that are coming up that we can maybe take advantage of, right? So Myria did a token unlock today. So it's a good time to DCA. What other relevant tokens? Unique Network. I don't mind Unique Network. They're doing a token unlock today as well. See if we can find any other relevant gaming. They're doing a token unlock today as well. TYT, Bounty Temple, they're doing a token unlock today. What else do we got? It's just good to know, guys, when this stuff's happening, because it gives you a heads up on the potential for DCA opportunities, right? When you see projects having token unlocks, a lot of times it leads to a bit of a pullback in the price, which means it's a good entry point or DCA opportunity. Layer AI, another fantastic project, guys. They're doing a token unlock tomorrow. What else? What else do we like that's doing a token unlock? Let's see here. Anything else? Anything else that we're looking at? Lit Labs. Lit Labs is doing a token unlock on the 10th. That's something to pay attention to. I am very bullish on Lit Labs, if you're wondering. Boba Network. I do like Boba Network. They're doing a token unlock on the 11th. Aptos on the 11th as well. Karate Combat on the 11th. GFAL, Games for a Living. They're doing a token unlock on the 12th. Anything else? Sandbox, another bullish project. Sandbox doing a token unlock on the 13th. Could see some little pullbacks in these projects, guys. Good entry points, right? It's good to know this stuff so you can make good entry points. What else do we got? Anything else? Anything? Uniswap and Arbitrum are both doing token unlocks on the 15th. So there's a handful of projects, guys, to maybe pay attention to if you want to find entry points. We could see some minor pullbacks in those projects due to token unlocks. And let's go back over to the JASMY chart, and let's get into the chat. Get into the chat, see what's going on. Trump's pro-crypto, Democrats will break the banks. I agree. You won't get argument from me there, my friend. Mary, hey, Rob. My Myria bag is coming along. Nice. Congratulations. That's fantastic. Mine is too. I'm chipping away. Got to reach my goal. And then it's on to the next one, right? Leroy, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Nacho, what's up, buddy? It feels like it's been a minute. JASMY fam, sorry I've not been on, but I've been working my butt off to DCA the whole entire time. Now I have 800K JASMY, which I never thought I would get to. Congratulations, brother. That is how it's done. Dollar cost average, and you done did it, brother. You done did it. Benjamin, Cramer is probably being paid by institutions. Yes, well, 100%. Long time ago, that probably started. I've been watching replays, though. Awesome. It's great to have your support, Nacho. We love having you, brother. Best community out right here. Yes, thank you so much, Leroy. I appreciate that. We strive to build a fantastic community here, right, guys? And one thing that's always astounded me about this community is that everyone's so positive, right? We don't have any toxic people really in this community, right? Everyone's always so positive and supportive. And it translates over on the Discord as well, right? Because we have a free Discord as well. And the community is always there supporting each other, backing each other up, right? It's awesome. Very strange on my broker exchange. Now it's something behind the scenes is, yeah. Doug, what's up, buddy? Hey, Rob, good evening. Great stuff on XCN and Myria. What are your predictions, exit points? Thanks. Well, I mean, my predictions, I think Myria is going to hit somewhere around that 50-60 cent level, and I think that XCN, I'm exiting XCN around the all-time high of 18 cents, 18 to 20 cents. I'll be leaving, but I think it could go, 30, 40 cents, something like that. But I'll be out around 18. As far as my exit points, I can tell you that in private. because you are a member of the channel, and I only give those out to members, exit strategies and exit points. But shoot me a message in the Discord privately, and I'll give you that. I'll give you those answers, no problem, brother. Jeanette, scary thought getting two socialists in White House. However, I hope Canada does the right thing. Yeah, I'm with you. I am with you. Same thing happened last year. November, I had no losses, but my screen is not as it should be. Total input wallets. Wow. Yeah, something big's coming. I agree. Anything on the JASMY lockup? No, nothing yet. I'm looking forward to Hara's next AMA because I'm hoping to get some answers on that. So, Stefan says, guys, hit the like and subscribe to the channel. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Ty, what's up, man? How you doing, brother? I bought up more long-term holdings. Nice. Congratulations. Beebs in the house. Scam. Rob, Finance Pool launches KASPA Network Mining Services. I saw that. I think yesterday, right? Very bullish, man. You know what? They already, don't they? Is it futures that they do over there now or something on Binance for KASPA? Something like that, right? So I think it's only a matter of time. Beebs, 100%, man. KASPA will get all of the tier 1 exchange listings. It's not a matter of if, but when, in my opinion. I'm very bullish on that. Tristan, what's up, man? Morning, Rob from Australia. Since the XCN white paper came out, how high do you think its potential could be? I think it could hit, like I said, 40 cents, something like that. I see some people calling for like 80 cents. I would say somewhere like 40 cents. But again, I will be exiting at about 20 cents, 18 to 20 cents. Because I bought enough tokens that I can do that and get away with $1 million at 18 cents ish, and I'll walk out being an Onyx coin millionaire. I might even end up buying some more XCN at these prices just so I can lower my exit point even lower, maybe 15 cents, right? Beeb, Stellar Blockchain, choose, yes. What's your name in the Discord, Rob? It is Crypto Future, and there's a little crown at the end of my name because there are imposters in there, so be careful. Charts, yes, absolutely. Bullish on KASPA, guys. Bullish on KASPA. All right, guys. Well, listen, we're all caught up in the chat. We've gotten through the news. J Bond's in the house, man. JASMY's next quarter Panasonic implementation should be coming out soon. Yes, I agree. They said 6 months. That should be around October, November. Do you think Binance finally removing the coin from? I mean, at this point, man, who knows? They should have removed it months ago. So, but I guess we'll see in September, right? Or September, October, November. Is it September? July, August, September. No, October. Kevin, hello. Love those bloody days. You got more XCN and Swift. Nice. Congratulations, man. Ty, fight. Ape NFTs, Singapore. Made nice projects, needed time to make progress. Yes, absolutely, man, absolutely. All right, guys, so listen, we're all caught up in the chat. I'm gonna go eat some dinner, late dinner, so I'm gonna play the intro one more time as the outro, and then I am out of here. Have a fantastic rest of your night, guys.